Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Are you working with Oracle NetSuite? Are you facing difficulty in analyzing Days Sales Open report by customer in NetSuite? If so, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the steps on building the DSO report in NetSuite. Before we get started, please ensure that your customer role has the appropriate permissions to access safe searches, transactions, and the customer record. Check with your NetSuite administrator if you are unsure or need additional permissions. Now let's get started. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm working in a role which has the appropriate permissions. Additionally, I'm in the Classic Center role, so your menu paths might be slightly different than mine. To build a DSO report in NetSuite, we're going to navigate to Reports. Let me get my mouse active here. Reports. New search, click there, and then we are going to scroll down to transactions because we want to create a transaction saved search. Let me find it here and I'll show you. Scroll down to transactions and select transactions. From there, we want to click on create save search so that we can create this and save it with all the necessary criteria. So the first thing I want to do on my Save Search is I want to set my criteria to say the type is equal to an invoice, that the main line is true, this returns only one line per invoice on my search, and that I want to only include those invoices where the status is none of, pending approval, rejected, or voided. This is what my screen will look like after I've created these three criteria. And then the next thing we want to do is go over here to Results and click on Results. And we want to add our columns of our report. I typically do a remove all. I'm already in edit mode, so I'm not going to do that here. So now what I want to do is I want to add my name, the name field, which would be your customer name, and it would set the summary type to group. I want to add the amount field and sum that up. And then I want to take the days open and find the average. So what this is going to do is it's going to group all my customers into one line. It's going to sum up the amount of all the transactions and find the average day open. The final value that I want to set here is I want to be able to have a filter. So I'm going to click up here on available filters and I'm going to add dates and check the yes to show in filter region. And then from there I can give my report a name and then I'm going to click on save and run. So when I look at my report, I see what we talked about. We've got the customer, one line by customer name, the sum of all of their invoices, and the average day open. This is a demo account, so no judgment on my length of days open there. We don't post payments very often in demo accounts. But as you can see, those numbers vary, and it's finding an average across all the invoices for that customer. So now the final step, you can also export this if you want to. You can click here on CSV or Excel file or PDF and export this report and send it to users who don't have NetSuite access.